Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of this device. So the manufacturing date is located on the back side of your PC, so let me show it to you. Right here you'll find the lid with the model name of your laptop. You just have to pull it to open it, and right here next to the service tag or serial number, you'll find the MFG year 2018. So this is the year when your device was manufactured. But if you want to see the more precise result, more precise manufacturing date, then what you have to do is just turn your device off. So let me do it. Switch it off. And now we'll have to enter BIOS. So to do that, press the power key, and once you press the power key, immediately start pressing F2 button. So turn it on and press F2 consistently, and this way you enter BIOS. Now go to system information. You can navigate using your touchpad or mouse, and here you'll find the manufacture date of your device. So for me it's April 28th of April 2018. To exit BIOS, just press escape. And that's how you check your device's manufacture date. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.